Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum class 2. In maths, today a topic is subtraction, and today we will deal page number 41, 42 and 43. After watching this lesson, students will be able to do subtraction with converting. So students, are you ready? Let's get started. Students, do you remember how to subtract with big numbers? Start with ones, then subtract the tens. Here I am going to do question number 1 of page number 41. One has been done for you. Here is 38, from which we subtract 16. So let's subtract. Start with ones. When we subtract 6 from 8, the number comes 2. And when 1 subtract from 3, the number comes 2. It means when we subtract 16 from 38, the number comes 22. Now I am going to do part B of question number 1, in which we subtract 23 from 69. So when 3 subtract from 9, the number comes 6. And when 2 is subtract from 6, the number comes 4. So overall, when 23 subtract from 69, the number comes 46. Now I am going to do question number 2 of page number 41. Use subtraction to answer these. There are 28 flowers in a basket. 16 are used for a garland. How many are left? So there are 28 flowers, and how many are used for a garland? Yes, 16. So how many are left? Let's find. Here we subtract. Start with ones. When 6 subtract from 8, the number comes 2. And when we subtract 1 from 2, the number comes 1. So overall, the number comes 12. That means 12 flowers are left. Now the next question is, Layla has 59 rabbits. 18 hop away. How many rabbits are left? Let's find out. Layla has 59 rabbits. And how many rabbits are hop away? 18. Now here we subtract to find how many are left. When 8 subtract from 9, the number comes 1. And when 1 subtract from 5, the number comes 4. So overall, the number comes 41. That means 41 rabbits are left. Now here I am going to do page number 42, subtraction converting. Look at this sum. There are 52 balloons at a party. 27 burst. So how many balloons are left? Look at here. How can we take away 7 ones from 2 ones? We need more ones. Take 110 from 10's column and change it into 10 ones. Now there are 4 tens left, and there are 2 ones and 10 more ones. Now we have 10 plus 2 equals to 12 ones. Now we can complete the sum. Subtract 7 from 12 ones. the number comes 5. And when we subtract 2 from 4, the number comes 2. That means there are 25 balloons are left, which means 2 tens, 5 ones. Now I'm going to do page number 43, question number 3. Help Tiger to do sum. Hello, I am Tiger. I need more ones to subtract 6 from 3. So I changed 1 10 into 10 ones. Now I have 13 ones and 3 tens are left. Now I can subtract. So when I subtract 6 from 13, the number comes 7. And when I subtract 2 from 3, the number comes 1. That means when we subtract 26 from 43, the number comes 17. Now I'm going to solve part A of question 1. Let's subtract. Start with ones. How can we take away 7 ones from 5 ones? We need more ones. We take 110 from the tens column and change it into 10 ones. Now there are 15 ones and 5 tens are left. Now we can subtract 7 ones from 15 ones. So when we subtract 7 from 15, the number comes 8. And when we subtract 4 from 5, the number comes 1. So overall, the number comes 18. Now I'm going to do part B of question number 1. Can we take away 5 ones from 2 ones? No, we need more ones. We took 110 from tens column and changed it into 10 ones. Now there are 12 ones and 6 tens are left. Now we can take away 5 from 12. So when we subtract 5 from 12, the number comes 7. Now subtract tens. When we subtract 2 from 6, the number comes 4. So overall, the number comes 47. Now I'm going to do part C of question number 1. Now students, you tell me, can we take away 8 from 1? Very good. No, we cannot take away 8 from 1. So here we have to take 110 from tens column and changed it into 10 ones. Now there are 11 ones and 4 tens are left. Now we can take away 8 from 11. So when we subtract 8 from 11, the number comes 3. Now subtract tens. When we subtract 2 from 4, the number comes 2. So overall, the number comes 23. So students, that's all about today's lesson. Hopefully you understood. Now your homework is to attempt page number 41 and 43 on your countdown book. Hope you all will do well. Thank you.